Hello, my name is Wan Zarikon Bewazuraidi and my matrix number is 01 DKM 23F1083.
Hi, my name is Ahmad Tunzi bin Azmi. My registration number is 01 DKM 23F1106.
Hello, and my name is Muhammad Syakir Mazlan. My matric number is 01 DKM 23F1110. Hi, my name is Muhammad Adam Amshah bin Fauzi. My matric number is 01 DKM 23F1112. Introduction. Introduction is a quantity processing board. Magnitude and direction represented by an arrow, the direction of which indicate is proportional to the magnitude. Then, basic operation of vector and scalar, including used in solving problem. This topic also explain the method for determining angle between two triple scalar and vector product.
Scalar quantity. First, scalar quantity has only magnitude but no direction. Second, every scalar quantity is one-dimensional. The third one, any change in scalar quantity is the reflection of change in magnitude. Fourth one, scalar quantity can be resolved and it has exactly same values regardless of direction. The fifth one, any mathematical operation carried out among two or more scalar quantity will provide a scalar only. However, if a scalar is operated with a vector, then the result will be a vector. The sixth one, few examples of scalar: length, mass, energy, density. The next one is vector quantity. The first one, vector quantity has both magnitude and direction. Second one, vector quantity can be 1 minus d and 2 minus d or 3 minus d. The third one, any change in vector quantity can reflect either change in direction or change in magnitude or change in both. Fourth, vector can be resolved in any direction using sine or cosine of the adjacent angle. The fifth one, result of mathematical operation between two or more vector may give either scalar or vector. Dot product of two vectors give only scalar, while cross product or summation or subtraction result in a vector. The sixth one, example of vector quantity: displacement, velocity, acceleration, force.
What is carpentry? Carpentry is a skilled trade and a craft in which the primary work performed is a cutting, shaping, and installation of building material during the construction of building and concrete formwork. Carpentry traditionally worked with natural wood and did rough work such as framing, but today many other materials are also used, and sometimes the finer trade of cabinet making and furniture building are considered carpentry.
Real-life application of vector and scalar. The Pythagorean theorem is used extensively in carpentry and construction. Almost every carpentry project involves some combination of square and triangles. Carpenters also often use formula and maths when carrying out carpentry job, such as roofing, to check a building is square and calculate the length of rafters. When designing a building and fitting staircases, formula are used to ensure the tracks and rises are the right size and comply with local building codes.
So at here we have one question of the carpentry. The question is, carpentry want to measure area of rooftop. He has identified A equal 2,5, 7, and B -3,6 and -2, and the last is C 2, -2 and -2. We can use this formula to find the solution. For example, for A multiple of B equal I JK, A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 and C2, equal bracket B1 C2 minus B2 C1 bracket I minus bracket A1 C2 minus A2 C1 bracket J plus bracket A1 B2 minus A2 B1 bracket K. First of all, we can use the simple vector to solve the solution of the diagram the rooftop of house. You can use the solution that AB equal AO plus OB. You just need to twist the AO to minus OA plus OB to find the AB. After that, you just insert the number of the value of every point of AB and O. After you solve the solution, you can get the last value of it, that is AB. Now let's move to BC equal to BO plus OC. Just like before, you can twist the BO to minus OB plus OC. After you solve the solution, you also get the last value of it. After we get the both of value, that is AB and BC, we can use the formula that is the definition of product vector. That is AB multiple BC equal to IJK, and then you just insert the value in the bracket. That is -5, 1, -9, 5, -8 and 4. And then you need to multiple the number to find the value of I, J and K. After you solve the solution of it, you can get a last value that is negative 68I minus 25 J plus 35 K.
Then we'll move to the to find the formula. We move to formula to find the area of triangle of ABC. So area of triangle ABC equals to 1/2 A to the B multiply B to the C. Now we'll move to the mathematical solution with drawings. So area of rooftop. To find the area of rooftop, area equals to 1/2 A to the B multiply B to the C equals to
1 over 2 square root negative 68 square plus negative 25 square plus 35. So it equals to 1 over 2 square root 6474. So the final answer is 80.46 unit square. So in conclusion, it is clear that vectors and scalars are very useful in carpentry. This is said to be so because to ensure accuracy in product manufacturing, for example, scalar and vector always apply in wood cutting process and installation of building material process. Therefore, the safety of the manufacturer and user is guaranteed.
So after you solve every of the solution, you can get the value that you want. So that's all from us. Thank you.
Don't forget
Don't forget to subscribe and like and share.